Our solar system is a vast and fascinating place. It's our cosmic neighborhood, filled with planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. At the center of it all is the Sun, a star that provides light and heat to the entire solar system. Around the Sun, 8 planets orbit in a graceful dance, each with its own unique characteristics. We'll embark on a journey to explore these planets, from the scorching heat of Mercury to the icy depths of Neptune. We'll uncover their secrets, marvel at their beauty, and learn about their place in our cosmic neighborhood. Get ready for an adventure as we journey through our solar system. The Sun is a giant ball of hot gas that sits at the heart of our solar system. It's incredibly massive, containing more than 99% of the solar system's total mass. The Sun's gravity holds everything in orbit, from the smallest asteroid to the largest planet. The Sun's surface is a chaotic place, with solar flares and sunspots constantly erupting. These events release enormous amounts of energy into space, which can sometimes affect Earth's technology. The Sun is the source of all life on Earth. Its light and heat provide the energy that plants need to grow, and it drives our planet's weather patterns. Without the Sun, Earth would be a cold, dark, and lifeless place. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the Sun. It's a rocky planet with a very thin atmosphere. Because it's so close to the Sun, Mercury experiences extreme temperatures. During the day, the surface of Mercury can reach a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit, or 430 degrees Celsius. But at night, the temperature plummets to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 180 degrees Celsius. Mercury is a speedy little planet, orbiting the Sun faster than any other planet in our solar system. It completes one orbit in just 88 Earth days. That's why the Romans named it after Mercury, their messenger god. Venus is often called Earth's twin because it's similar in size and composition to our planet. Both planets have a rocky surface and a similar internal structure, with a core, mantle, and crust. However, the similarities largely end there. However, Venus is a very different place from Earth. While Earth is teeming with life and has a mild climate, Venus is a hostile world. Its thick atmosphere traps heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. The atmosphere is composed mainly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. The surface temperature on Venus can reach a blistering 900 degrees Fahrenheit, or 475 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. This extreme heat makes it impossible for liquid water to exist on the surface. The atmosphere is also incredibly dense, creating a surface pressure 90 times greater than Earth's. This pressure is equivalent to being about a kilometer underwater on Earth. Venus rotates very slowly on its axis, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. Interestingly, it rotates in the opposite direction to most other planets, a phenomenon known as retrograde rotation. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. It takes Venus about 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun, meaning a single day on Venus lasts longer than its entire year. This slow retrograde rotation is one of the many mysteries that scientists are still trying to understand about this fascinating planet. The unique characteristics of Venus continue to intrigue researchers as they seek to uncover the secrets of our enigmatic neighbor. Section 5. Earth, our blue oasis. Earth is our home planet, and it's the only place in the universe known to support life. This unique characteristic makes it incredibly special and irreplaceable. Our planet is unique for its vast oceans of water, which cover over 70% of its surface. These oceans are not just bodies of water, they are the lifeblood of our planet, regulating climate, weather patterns, and supporting a diverse range of marine life. Earth's atmosphere is also special, containing just the right mix of gases to support life. This delicate balance of nitrogen, oxygen, and other trace gases creates a protective shield, allowing life to flourish. It filters harmful solar radiation and helps maintain a stable climate. Earth is located in the habitable zone, a region around the Sun where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. This perfect positioning is crucial, as liquid water is essential for all known forms of life. This, along with other factors, makes Earth a perfect place for life to thrive. From the lush rainforests to the arid deserts, and from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, Earth's diverse ecosystems are teeming with life. From the vastness of space, Earth appears as a pale blue dot, a fragile oasis of life in the vast cosmic ocean. This perspective highlights the vulnerability and uniqueness of our planet. It's a reminder of how precious our planet is and how important it is to protect it. Every action we take to preserve our environment, reduce pollution, and combat climate change is a step towards ensuring that this blue oasis continues to thrive for future generations. Section 6. Mars, the Red Planet's Mysteries. Mars has long captured the imagination of humans. For centuries, it has been a focal point of curiosity and wonder, inspiring countless stories, myths, and scientific inquiries. Its reddish hue, visible even to the naked eye, has earned it the nickname the Red Planet. This distinct color is due to iron oxide or rust on its surface, giving it a unique and captivating appearance. Mars is a cold, dusty planet with a thin atmosphere, but it's the most Earth-like planet in our solar system. Its surface is marked by vast plains, towering volcanoes, and deep canyons, painting a picture of a world both familiar and alien. Evidence suggests that Mars may have once been a much warmer and wetter place, with rivers, lakes, and even oceans. These ancient water bodies could have created environments where life might have thrived. Scientists believe that ancient Mars may have even had conditions suitable for life. The presence of liquid water, essential for life as we know it, raises the tantalizing possibility that Mars could have supported microbial life forms. Today, Mars is a dry, dusty planet, but it still holds clues to its watery past. The planet's surface is littered with geological features that hint at its dynamic history, from dried-up riverbeds to mineral deposits that form in the presence of water. Robotic missions have found evidence of ice at the planet's poles and in underground reservoirs. This discovery is crucial, as it suggests that water, albeit frozen, still exists on Mars, potentially accessible for future human missions. The search for evidence of past or present life on Mars continues to be a major focus of space exploration. Each mission brings us closer to understanding the Red Planet's mysteries, unraveling the secrets of its past, and perhaps, one day, discovering life beyond Earth. Section 7. Jupiter, the giant of our solar system. Jupiter is a truly massive planet, the largest in our solar system. It's so big that you could fit all the other planets inside it with room to spare. Jupiter is a gas giant, meaning it doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. Jupiter's atmosphere is a turbulent place with giant storms that rage for centuries. The most famous of these storms is the Great Red Spot, a giant storm that's been raging for over 400 years. Jupiter has a faint ring system, much fainter than Saturn's rings. It also has dozens of moons, some of which are thought to have oceans of liquid water beneath their icy surfaces. Section 8. Saturn, the Ringed Wonder. Saturn is perhaps the most beautiful planet in our solar system, thanks to its stunning ring system. These rings are made up of countless particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny grains to huge boulders. The rings are incredibly thin, just a few hundred meters thick, but they're so vast that they would stretch almost from Earth to the Moon. Saturn's rings are a mystery to scientists. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant with no solid surface. It has a thick atmosphere composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. Saturn also has dozens of moons, including Titan, the only moon in the solar system known to have a dense atmosphere. Section 9. Uranus, the sideways planet. Uranus is a strange and fascinating planet. It's tilted on its side, with its axis of rotation almost parallel to its orbit around the Sun. This means that Uranus spins on its side like a rolling ball. Scientists believe that this unusual tilt was caused by a collision with a large object early in the solar system's history. Uranus is an ice giant, meaning that its interior is composed mostly of ices of water, methane, and ammonia. Uranus has a faint ring system and a collection of moons. Its blue-green color comes from methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue and green light. Section 10. Neptune, the icy giant. Neptune is the 8th and farthest known planet from the Sun in our solar system. It's an ice giant, similar in composition to Uranus. Neptune is a very cold and windy place with the strongest winds in the solar system. Its atmosphere is composed mostly of hydrogen, helium, and methane, which gives Neptune its deep blue color. Neptune has a faint ring system and a collection of moons. One of its moons, Triton, is of particular interest to scientists because it's geologically active and has nitrogen geysers that erupt from its surface. Section 11. Exploring our cosmic backyard. Our solar system is a place of wonder and beauty, filled with celestial objects that continue to amaze and inspire us. From the scorching heat of Mercury to the icy depths of Neptune, each planet has its own unique story to tell. By studying our solar system, we gain a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. We learn about the processes that formed our planet and the conditions that allow life to exist. We also discover new worlds and possibilities, expanding our horizons and igniting our imaginations. So let's continue to explore our cosmic backyard, to uncover its secrets, and to marvel at the wonders of our solar system.